Alright, in today's video, we're going to walk you through how to fix a Samsung microwave that runs but isn't actually heating your food. If the microwave turns on, the light works, the timer counts down, but the food stays cold, there are a few simple things you can check before calling a technician. First, make sure the microwave is plugged directly into the wall outlet and not into a surge protector or extension cord, since those can sometimes limit power. Test the outlet by plugging in something else, like a lamp or phone charger, to verify it's working. Also, look at the microwave's power cord and check for any visible damage or wear, as that can cause heating issues as well. Next, check if the microwave is in demo mode. Demo mode is used in store displays and lets the buttons work without producing heat. Press the Options or My Settings button and scroll through the menu until you find demo mode. If it's turned on, switch it off. If your model uses different controls, look up your exact model number for the right steps. After that, inspect the door. Microwaves won't heat unless the door is fully closed. Open it and check the seals for food, debris, or buildup that might stop it from closing properly. Clean it up and close the door firmly until you hear a clear click. If the latch feels loose, that alone can stop the microwave from producing heat. You should also test the control panel. Press several buttons to see if they respond normally. If they're slow, glitchy, or unresponsive, the microwave might need a soft reset. Unplug it from the wall and leave it unplugged for at least an hour. When you plug it back in, test it again to see if the heating function is restored. A simple reset can often fix minor electrical issues or software glitches. If none of these steps bring the heat back, the problem may be more serious, like a blown fuse, failed diode, or a bad magnetron inside the microwave. These kinds of issues usually need professional attention, since opening a microwave can expose you to high voltage even when it's unplugged. If you do end up contacting Samsung support, make sure you have your model number ready, along with any symptoms you've noticed. They may ask you to try a couple more checks or guides based on your exact model. Also, take note of any strange sounds, unusual smells, or clicking noises, since that information can help them diagnose the problem faster. And if your microwave is older, it may simply be reaching the end of its lifespan. Microwaves can last quite a while, but their internal parts do eventually wear out. That's why catching small issues early can save you time, money, and possibly even prevent a total breakdown.